Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place. In this video we're going to learn how to plant young onions. Depending where you live, March is usually the ideal month for onion planting. I picked up these onions at the Home Depot because they're running a special right now, $3.33 for 60 bulbs. They also have specials on strawberries, and the best part is these are all non-GMO. Growing onions is about the easiest thing to do. And the best part is that besides snails, nothing else will bother them. So you pick the onion that you like, or how about planting all three? And when you're ready, you just have to prepare your soil. So to make sure your soil is nice, soft, and moist like ours is. We just had a rain, and as you saw, I'm simply just poking the onions in the ground and covering them. This one is from the last year, but the new ones, which we're planting right now, are super easy to grow. So I would just spread them out, maybe about anywhere between 4 to 6 inches apart, and just put them in the soil, not too deep, maybe about 2 inches in, and then cover them with soil. For those of you who are doing this for the first time, if you look at the onion bulb, you will see the spot where the roots grew, and you will see the upper part. So naturally, we want to plant onion upright, meaning the root part goes into soil and the upper part is slightly exposed. Your onions should start to grow within a week to 10 days. And the wonderful thing about them is that you can use the upper part of the onion throughout the spring to make all kinds of salads or to add them to your dishes, and still save the root and allow root to grow for the fall harvest. With the rising prices on food, this is such an inexpensive and fun way to garden. $3.33 for 60 bulbs, and you can enjoy these onions throughout the whole spring and then have some in the fall. A lot of people are claiming they have no time or space for gardening. I don't think that's true, because we can find time to do activities like this, and if you don't have a land around your house, you can start planting herbs in pots. And if you don't want to do this for yourself, I would beg you to do this for your kids. The little garden where I teach my kids how to garden will expand this year. We are going to take a lot more space in our backyard to start growing even more fruits and vegetables. My name is Vlada Vladic, and I've been with you on this YouTube channel for probably 12-13 years, and every video that I post serves as an encouragement to all of you to start gardening and eating healthier, and most importantly to teach your kids some of these important life skills. Our kids desperately need our help. After a busy morning, I'm gonna grab a snack, and I'm having a warm sourdough, rosemary sourdough, with a little bit of cheese and olives. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you being with me, and if you are a fan of a simple, all-natural living, please join me, because that's what I'm all about.